So this is the current iteration of the ZV1. I made some changes to the screen to give it some legs, I guess, to go inside instead of having to use magnets, but the wear on it being inserted and removed is causing issues. So I gotta change that. But this is the base that holds the Raspberry Pi. This is the lid that goes on it with holes for the GPIO pins. And then this is the top side that connects to here for connecting the screen on it. But I gotta make a change because I know the magnets are kind of prohibitive, so I want to give it something that's gonna make it easier to 3D print and use without having to buy any extra materials. And I need to take out the pinholes.